So we're back. So hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. By the way, I'm Michelle, the vlogger behind Cykaniki, and I welcome you all in this channel. And by the way guys, as I promised that I will be making a Halloween video for the whole month of October. The last time, if you haven't checked that out, please check that out. It's a vampire makeup look inspired. And today I'm super excited because I will be again collaborating with another YouTuber, a very good friend of mine, Shallow, and I will be placing her link on the description box. We will be making a clown inspired Halloween makeup. Oh my god. So by the way guys, please check her out, and she's also doing her looks, this one on the screen. Oh my god, I'm super excited what will be the outcome of our clown makeup tutorial. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. And guys, by the way guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and please give her some love. Please go to her channel and tell her that I sent you, and please don't forget to like, share, to subscribe to her channel as well. So please give her some love. After watching this video, please go to her channel and watch also the look that she created. So we love you guys, and thank you so much for being here. Without further ado, let's hop into the video.
Tingin-tingin mo dyan. Gusto mo? Lo, asa ka. Umalis ka nga. Kairita. Papasok ba si ma'am? May PE ba ngayon? Zumba na naman. Kairita. Sino may pulbo dyan? Wala. Sir, masakit po yung tiyan ko. Kumain ako ng fishbowl na isaw-saw sa babara ng